construction. As you can see where we are. So we're going to put two lights, one at the top here and one over a little bit with a double interrupter switch upstairs, and then we'll have a switch down here, and then we're going to pull this kitchen out wall and an extension here. Yeah. Well, we better get on and get this sorted. Okay, we've got the tower up, we've got the windows in now. One on either side, one over here as well. So I put the electrics in. You can see the windows from the inside. Ooh. They're just pull downs, just so they can clean them and you can get it, because this is going to be a platform here I've got being welded in. We've got the light here, and we have a light here already sorted with the trunking, the switches and the boxes going down. So you can see we have it all tied in now, putting the concrete's in, and then we'll be concreting around the structure, which will give us a ring beam all the way around. Yeah, happy. And as you can see, the outside of the structure is done. We've now got the ring beam all the way around. You can see the Vegas are tied in where we made the shuttering out of Bardos. It was easier to twist around the tower. So yeah, we just started putting a scratch coat on all round, cement. It's got a waterproofer in. So yeah, we're getting there.